What's going on, guys? I'm Levi, and this is my 1979 Chevy K10 project truck. It is a half-ton. It's a little rough shape and all, but it's my project truck, and over the next few months I'm going to be restoring it / building it. As you can see, I already took the box off. I took some shocks off. Those shocks were like 40 years old and no good. The whole truck is stock. Nothing's been done to it. It only had 122,000 K on it. Obviously it doesn't look like it has 122,000 K. It's a little rough in some spots, but it's okay. I got new panels for these, the rockers, the floors. The doors are in not too bad shape. The front fenders are going to need to be replaced. The box is trashed. Kind of ran into something with that. We're not talking about that one though. And we're going to be, over the next few months, swapping it. Probably a 5.3 liter, maybe a 6 liter LS or Vortec, whatever you want to call it. Gonna be rebuilding it, gonna be rebuilding a custom box. And gonna be redoing the whole interior. You can see it's a little rough in there. This is a 4-speed, camera focus, thank you. A 4-speed, well, 3-speed with that granny gear kind of. But yeah, everything's original. Seat's a little rough. Ugly anyways. As you can see, the floor, typical in these, is kind of rotted out. I just put these over top of it for just temporary purposes to drive around. But yeah, let's get ripping apart.
Perfectly balanced, as all things should be.
Okay, so yesterday I didn't really film much. Wasn't really much to film. I kind of just took off some trim pieces, lights, just kind of like the whole front grille section. I guess I gotta take this off too. I'm not sure how that comes off. I'll figure that out. And I was trying to get this fender off. I guess it would have made more sense if I just looked it up how to take it off, but that wouldn't be any fun in that. Obviously, I'm gonna have to replace this fender because it's no good. It's to the point where it's not even worth fixing. And the previous owner, I don't know if you can see it right there, kind of that line, already welded a new piece in there, which I didn't know when I was buying it, which is fine. Which I gotta find new replacement fenders for this. This door is good though, obviously. Like pretty much all the body panels need to get replaced on this thing. The motor I'm swapping out, so I'm trying to take as much of the front end part as possible today. Take off the bumper maybe, and yeah, let's get right into it. Conveniently, I got that bolt. You can see it right there, down there. And it's a square bolt, and I can't get in there with the grinder nor a wrench, so and I'm trying to get to the bolt down there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bolt down there holding the fender on. And I can't get down there without this on there, so I'm going to try to get in there through that, but let's see what that... Well, that's tight. Can we get in there properly? Of course, it's the hard one to get it. It's super tight. Oh, wait a second. I think it's... Oh. Well, it's the frickin' fender. Alright, so... Idiot me couldn't get down to a little screw down there. That one right there. But what I didn't realize is that it's up from the bottom. Like, oh, that makes you feel like an idiot, but hey, learn something new every day, I guess. The fender's actually so rusted that in there's a bolt. As you can see, focus camera, come on, please. Come on. Anyways, in there was a bolt that didn't come out. It just, I don't know if you can see that really. It just kind of broke itself off from the fender. It's just so rusted there. It's just all crumpled. So I'm probably gonna need new inner fenders as well. Kind of sucks, but well, it's pretty typical for these trucks, so that's just what you gotta deal with. But yeah, getting close. So I'm gonna put this bolt back in this hole. So this fender doesn't come flying off of here and crush or do something, I don't know. And I don't know how that antenna, looks like it's just a wire that runs along, which we don't even need that anyways, but almost done. Okay, so now you can kind of see all the suspension and stuff. It's gonna need a lot of work. You need to take it all apart, obviously, spray it down, sandblast it, spray it, get it all cleaned up.